Official beat for the Upnlive show. This is called the Upnlive show beat, yeah? And like I was saying before, we're going to be recording the first song on this beat. It's going to be recorded by myself, Dragon All Star, and little bro. What we going to put? What Rasta going to do?
No, she had do the chorus with the bad vibes, right? And she had the singer.
Well, she a singer, but
She do the chorus.
Yeah.
And we take on the verse, right? We'll go in for the verse then.
I go first verse though. I don't know about you.
No, you have to save a big one for last. You know, for everything. Yo, Jay-Z, this is not big.
No, but this is the thing. You go second part. No, wife is second. But you go part. The further part.
Second.
The second part.
Yeah. So
work with
that.
that.
Alright.
But your verse probably not get to play most of the time.
No, you see when you're bad, they have to wait for the bad part of the song. So you know where you go.
They have to wait for Cardi B still.
You know, like a certain song you can't play it. Like if you play the Bounty Killer and Junior Gang.
Yeah.
You have to wait till the part where you go, Warlord and Junior Gang. Me have to be one of them artists there. You just have to wait till my verse for all these.
Check. Yeah, look too far. You reach too far. But people, good evening to everybody that's locking in right now. This is Flames Radio. This is the Upnlive show. I go by the name of DJ Rick. On my left, we are DJ, permanent DJ, Dragon All Star. And on behalf of the Little Brown Rasta and World Mark Entertainment, Flames Radio, each and every Wednesday right here, this is where we go live. And we have a very, very special guest inside the building this evening. He goes by the name of PrinceAckeem. And trust me, he have a bad video. We need to talk about that as well. Right here on the show this evening, PrinceAckeem. Welcome to the show, sir. How you doing today?
In the flesh, mad respect, you get me? But there, man.
Everything good?
Everything good, so girl, I say, you see.
Oh, I said no.
Yeah, man.
I sound good. So what's been good though? Are you permanently reside in the UK, or is it you just passing through or what?
No, man, I am there, man. I am a live, man, you see.
You live here?
Yeah, man, just moved come here like last year, you get me? So.
Because that's what I'm saying, I never heard the name before.
Yeah, man, get used to it.
But the song you have right now, I don't remember the name for it, but it has a little hip hop beat, the one that we shared today. What's the name of that one again?
That's entitled Sterling.
Sterling.
Yeah.
That song.
So people go and check out that. It's on YouTube and every media platform, you get me?
Talk us through the making of that song, because that song sounds like it's going to be a classic to me.
Alright, the making of that song there.
Yeah.
Big up Round Sycamore. Him build the beat, you get me?
Yeah.
/ RB Music, big up RB Music. Them send the rhythm come to me, you get me, and them say, yo, them send 3 rhythm. And them say, yo, which one I like? So I pick the rhythm there.
Yeah.
I'm send it to my virgin Sheziko, who is featured on it as well. Him say, yeah, him like it as well, and we must say, yo, let's do a song together, you get me? So I say, alright, cool. I record the hook on my phone and send it through a voicemail to him, and him say, yo, come link me now that we need to record this, you get me? So we reach over the studio.
Yeah.
Where I record, then the next brother we hear upon it named Shower Daddy, big up Shower Daddy. Yeah, him walk in at the studio and hear the making of the song and say, yo, I need for the pan this, you get me? So I just say, yo, go on, you get me? So him take my second verse of me that do, you get me? So I just keep the hook and just share the music, you get me?
Yeah.
So,
I'm saying this from a real place where I've never met you before. I've never seen any of your music before, and I heard that song. And that song, right away, I put it into my playlist because it fits into a crossover between dancehall and hip hop.
Yeah, that's the aim. You get me? So it's easier for you as the DJ can mix in the song them, because when it's the half beat, it's hard for you to squeeze me in. You get me?
It's the same thing one of my DJ Dragon was saying, where the songs where the artists are doing now, if they can make them more compatible with the current music that's going on now. So if you want to play a new artist, it doesn't throw off the juggling when time you try to play a new artist and people's like, what is that? But your song now, if I have it into the playlist and I play any art song, any cartel, any Movado, any Alkaline, it flows with it. Or even a hip hop song, it works.
That's the main aim right now, so we can get squeezy in the mix. I want to get push out and it's hard for the DJ them squeeze in, you get me? And you have to work with where the music will go right now and at that pace that the music there right now. So we kind of try to bring dance up on a different level, you get me? Worldwide, international. So and that's the aim.
That makes sense. So would you consider yourself a dancehall act, or how would you classify your music?
Well, no matter what you do, when you come from Jamaica, them are classify as a dancehall artist, you get me?
Yeah.
But we are trying to make a different genre for ourselves right now. You see, we mix the dancehall flavor upon the UK beat them, because UK beat them around the place now, worldwide, you get me? So we are trying to put the dancehall flavor upon the UK beat. And it works so far, because if it never did that work, would the day so right now, you get me?
Which is right.
And when you say making a new genre, like a lot of UK artists been doing that for a long time, like Stylogy, and it goes on and on and on. When we say like mixing the dancehall culture and the UK beats, so would you consider that as you being something new?
Well, I would say new, because as I say, Stylogy, them I do it, you get me? So we just help them I do it too, you get me? Because we come here, we see them I do it, so them need strength, because as you look on it, and a much, a Stylogy, they both at the place, you get me? Like Stylogy and a few others, you get me? Like Cutty 876 and Spooky and them
Spooky,
and them.
yeah.
We are trying them thing, you get me? So we they are straining the thing, because UK in a dancehall need help, you get me? So we just help the thing.
How do you find it? Because you just recently reside to the UK. So we can say that you're fresh from Jamaica.
Yeah.
How would you
fresh.
find the music on this side comparing to Jamaica?
Well, you know, say at first, I have to get used to it, because when you're fresh from Jamaica, you hear the raw dancehall.
Yeah.
It kind of hard to give up that, but when you're there now and I live here,
Yeah.
the music we are hearing at the club over the radio,
Yeah.
it just give you a vibe, so you have to just work with it, because you can't work against it.
So did you record this song while you were here in the UK, or did you record it when you was in Jamaica?
Every music I do since I come here, you get me? We start like September. Like
September?
Yeah, like professional music, I started September.
And you,
I
listen
come here.
people, say that again. You reach here September, and
Yeah.
we're in April now.
Yeah.
And you recorded a song that is capable of reaching places on the charts. I'm not just saying this because you're here now. The song is absolutely solid song. And I think you should really focus on more groundwork on that song, to be honest.
Yeah, man, I do some promotion for that song, because I know when I do a real promotion the right way. So right now we just promote the song there, because people love the song. From the first time people hear the song, people just gravitate to the song and just love it. Like love it. Everywhere we go, people talk about the song. You get me?
Definitely. So how do you see your music for the next 3 years? Do you have any plans? Anything working towards for the next short term 3 years time?
Yeah, man, we have a heap of things I work on, man. We have some singles we're going to release soon, like less than 3 years, like next month and the month after that. For the whole of that year, yeah, we just drop some singles and some visuals so the people them can get used to the face, you get me? And just do some more music so the people them can get used to the voice and get used to the name. You get me? But for now, we just work on Sterling, the new single,
Yeah.
so people just go check it out. And that we promote right now. So I just this our focus there right now. But for the 3 years, we might drop a EP next year, you get me?
Yeah.
And a mixtape as well. Probably next year, you get me? But for that year, we just work on some singles and some visuals, some videos, you get me?
So we just want to ask a quick question. We spot in London there I base, so cause you know we're in the street, so we'd like to see you out on the street at campaign, so we'll wonder what's in a London your base.
We're in a South London, you get me? Brixton, big up Brixton Street, you get me?
South side.
Yeah,
so
South side.
you know the thing go my place, see me.
Yeah.
All of London, the four corner me run things, right? Big up listen to me, listen, you know how me run things. Thing good.
Leandro with the dragon.
Every stoplight, every corner.
So the music for you has been good, as we can say that you've been here less than a year now and it's working for you. Do you have any plans to working with any of the UK artists other than the one that you've collabed with already? Because he's UK, right?
Yeah.
And you have anyone that your mindset say, okay, I have to work with this artist in the near future?
Well, me like Young Bane, you get me? Them youth they sing some good song and have some melody, is he? Wife the likes.
Your friend just wife. It wasn't
Yeah, but
me.
me like him music still, is he? Young Bane have some nice music, you get me? From I come here, I one of the first youth who I listen to, like when I drive around, you can hear me I play a Young Bane in my car, you get me?
Melodies there.
Yeah, melody is there, is it?
Because I can hear when in your songs as well, there's a quiet element of melody, and there's where you have a sound which is quite rounded, and I think the sound that you have now, it fits to get good with the UK sound, because the UK is working with the dancehall scene right at this moment, and I think that we need a present of another dancer, not just a Stylogy every time, or a gappy wrong, so to speak. But we need some fresh blood bridging the market where you can go mainstream. We're not just talking doing a song where it's going to be played for our diaspora or Jamaican people only. We want you to do songs where you can be proud, say you're going to be in Europe, Europeans going to be listening to. I can see my white Turkish friends pumping this song and say, hey Rick, listen to this song. This is the new PrinceAckeem. I need some more of this into the industry right now because there's an opening for it right now. Do you feel that you can fill this void?
Yeah, man, I go fill it, man. And if we can't fill it, I go fill it. You get me? I go fill it. That's the aim for fill it up. You see it? So that's why I work towards it and where I get there, slowly but surely. You get me?
Are you signed to any label at the moment?
No. I'm not signed to nobody. You see? Because I do our own thing. I do our own management, everything.
This is a question, because sometimes some people think that sign is the right way forward. What's your view on this? Would you rather be signed or would you rather be independent?
Well, I'd rather be independent, you know, because sometimes when you sign with your life and your career, you get me? So, I'd rather be independent and just know, say, yo, if anything happen, I just upon my and it happen, you get me?
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Did you grow up in music?
My granny grew up in a church. I go to church, I'm singing
Like
from the choir. You get me? So, yeah. That's how I get introduced to music.
We get a one bus off of the choir still, one go. And then push me in the back of like.
We used to lead sing from the choir, man, you see it? So,
Lead singer?
yeah, you see it, and the body, you see it. And
So you're one of them ones in the church where the famous one where every Sunday him shirt extra iron and him shirt his shoes extra clean. You know that little pretty boy thing that
no, man, I want to one day we go to church and you're in the back and me asleep and amen and wake up.
That does sound good. One pastor watching all that. Why not get in that trouble for that, you know?
Easy.
But we're live here now, and as you can see, the clock is going. We're running out of time. And as I said, I like your flow and I like the vibes. And I really think that I couldn't do this interview without you giving us a cameo of what you can do. Because I like the energy. So I think it's only right. Anyone that comes into the Upnlive show, there's this beat. We call it the Upnlive beat. And you probably never heard it before. This is our beat. So everybody comes, have to go on this beat. You think you can manage it?
Shoot it, huh?
Alright, let me see what I go on. Right now, this is PrinceAckeem live here in the Upnlive show. I will put him into the test right now. This is the Upnlive beat. The stage is yours, alright?
Alright, Upnlive. Try out something for the ladies then. You see your good body, me willing to pay for that. Travel all day for that. Your boyfriend, he might play with that. But you know the prince, he not play with that. My girl, how you feeling? She said, Prince, me so tired I'm cheating. But when it comes to revealing, me know her body in need of some healing. She not put up with him beating. A full time she pack up her things and man leaving. A long time he been cheating. Now she might take her a chance, he wants sit down and reason. She want left the waist man, but him not let her go. He want rave every night and not one take her out. And when she talk how she feel, I tell her to shut her mouth. When if I man that girl, me suggest you do without your good body, me will be pay for that. Trouble all day for that. Your boyfriend, he might play with that, but you know the prince, he might play with that. My girl, how you feeling? She said, Prince, me so tired I'm cheating. But when it comes to revealing, we know our body in need of some sexual healing. Hey! Right, keep it running. A weed man a bun. Smoke to my lungs. With weed to the rum. And you're so young fun. Crush up a cheese with a bun. After the trees on me bun, grab a hat like the heat from the sun. If you no smoke, then you not get none. I hide me eyes, me fast no run go talk. Me is a serious man now, me a the buster. Hey, ah.
PrinceAckeem right here at the Upnlive show. The man said, yo, weed in my bud.
Yeah.
I agree with my bud.
Yeah.
You smoke?
occasionally, you get me? Part-time.
He's one of them part-time smoker.
Part-time smoker there, you get me? So, more time one with a decent vibes, you just light up something, you see?
I like me. Can't smoke. Can't manage it. I don't
Well,
mind it.
good advice, you see?
Stay away.
You stay away from it.
Well, quickly, we can tell people to find you and find your music online.
You can find me on the gram, PrinceAckeem_music. You can find my song them on any platform. Right now, you can find Sterling on any platform. You get me any digital platform. The video is out on YouTube and Grime Daily, so people go and check it out, share it with your friend, your family, your grandmother, your grandfather. A good song. You see me I say, and PrinceAckeem will do clean music, so you don't have to cut it out. When we send you a song, you don't have to check it, just play it. You sing clean music.
But like that. Because when time I hear the song, I just the one that I listen to the end, I'm like, please God, they make this artist say anything.
No man, we practice clean music. You know, say when I record the song and my grandmother here say me I do music, she say, yeah, you know you gotta do music, but just make sure say, you keep it clean. So I promise her, so I just hold that promise there.
You will like the reverends. Remember him grew up in a church, so him grew up good. Church boy.
Yeah, my granny grew up good.
I know we're on the time right now. Thank you very much for joining us, everybody online. Thank you very much for passing through the Upnlive show. Princeackeem, and we'll be definitely featuring some of your music right here.
Yeah man, respect man, is it, and thanks for having me here as well. You get me?
Definitely. And look up people, the interview is going to be on our official YouTube page. That's Upnlive show. Maybe you can follow me at DJ Rick Upnlive, at Dragon Astor, at the Little Brown Rasta, at Worldman Entertainment. Right here on Place each and every week, 8 p.m. we go live. Upnlive, keep it locked, don't move. This is Flames Radio. Don't move a muscle.
Our current time is 10.